Hi, this is Gaurav, and here it is Idea 3G smartphone launch, iD-918. It's a dual SIM Android 2.3 phone, and we are doing the unboxing of the Idea smartphone. It's made by Alcatel. It's one touch Alcatel phone, model number is 91810, and it's priced at 5,994. That's the MRP. What's okay, here we have the phone. It's a white color, and we get two options in it: the white and black. Okay, this is the let's give it a second. Here we get the additional black panel, so we can change the cover from white to black. The uniqueness of this phone that there is also in-built rim, so it will be a complete black and a complete white. So this is the part where it will be having. Here we have the earphones.
In your headphone.
The USB cable. This is the charger. It's also the micro USB one. And 1300 milliampere. Yeah, 1300 milliampere battery. Then we have the standard Idea 3G smartphone user manual. That's a warranty card. And here we have, okay, this is the warranty card, sorry. So here is the Idea Alcatel phone. We are starting it now. This is the power key. It takes time. It looks to be takes a little bit of time on the first boot. Yeah, finally it's booted up. Here it's very unique lock screen. It's completely customized, and you can see the SIM 1 here, SIM 2 option here. It's not registered yet. Here we see the you can see the SIM 1 here, Idea, and the SIM 2 is also the Idea. And it's a nice way done. You have the calling. And it's based on Android 2.3.6 changeover rate. Here you can see it's 2.3.6 this back. The most important thing for any low-end Android phone is the SD card and phone storage, and we found that the available space is just 86 MB. That's for the application storage, but as there is a SD card inside, you get a 2 GB SD card which can further expand up to 32 GB. But the application storage is pretty small, but at this price we really don't get quite a hefty application storage, so that's a compromise you're doing here. It's basically okay. We also have the SIM management here. It's for the SIM one where you have the voice call, messaging, and the data connection. Here you can select all for SIM one. So the SIM 2 is basically for calls, and the SIM 1 is for your all 3G data connectivity, calls, and everything. It's basically all standard Android options we have here. The phone has a 3.2-inch capacitive half-kg screen. It also has the capacitive 3 buttons here and the one physical home key. The camera at the back is 3.2 megapixel. Okay, yeah, it's a fixed full focus camera. Alongside we have a speaker, Idea brand over here. At the right side we have the volume rocker key and the power key. Here is for the for all your hand strap and everything. At the left we have the micro USB port for charging. Top there is a 3.5mm jack. And there are sensors, couple of sensors like the proximity sensor and all. There is no front-facing VGA camera. And this is the menu. What we experienced that even at just a 5K price tag, the phone is pretty fluid in operations, and the touch is pretty good at this price. Definitely quite nice build quality, and it looks quite fantastic in white. Thanks a lot.